Today we're going to review about 4 Vintage Black & Decker coffee machines. It's pretty good. I'm going to show you these coffee makers. Each have reservoirs that come out. It's pretty dang. This one's like brand new. They all have pots that come out, so I'll just show you the pot quickly. They all turn on differently. This one has like the push start, it's off and on. And they all have like baskets that come out in like baskets and stuff. This one's clean. So you gotta just go in like that, and that's how you do it. This one's basically really clean. You got a nice coffee basket, clean. And the reservoir just goes pops like that and has to start and off, so that's my best. And this one is a brand new one. Well, purchased about 5 years ago. The coffee basket that comes out with the thermos. Basically pretty clean. And that says coffee basket and the filter up there, it's pretty clean. Never been used. And this one is it has the clock on it. This one's pretty good. It's clean. Never been used for anything. Just a coffee basket. Pretty fucking clean. Pretty clean. This is like my video of the Vintage coffee makers. They have this one on eBay right now, but it's been used, really used, and they want about $50 for it. That's kind of a waste of money. My coffee makers and my spare crafts, as you can see. I got spare lids and a reservoir and a glass liner. And so you have push.